Columbus, Ohio. A grand jury decided Thursday that an Ohio woman facing criminal charges for her miscarriage at home will not be charged. The Trumbull County Prosecutor's Office said grand jurors refused to throw out an indictment against Brittany Watts, 34, of Warren for abuse of a corpse, resolving a case that gained national attention for its effects on pregnant women as states across the country passed new laws. Roe v. Access to reproductive health services following the annulment of the Wade case. The announcement prompted nearly 150 supporters to chant "We Stand With Brittany." He arrived hours before the meeting was due to take place. Rally at Warren's Courthouse Square. The event was planned before the grand jury's decision was announced Thursday. Watts was among several speakers who addressed the crowd. In Warren, Ohio, no matter how shocking or disturbing it may sound when presented in a public forum, this is simply the devastating reality of miscarriage, attorney Traci Timko said in a statement. While the last 3 months have been painful, we are incredibly grateful and relieved that justice was served by the grand jury today. A municipal judge said city prosecutors found probable cause to tie Watts' case after said she had a miscarriage, blocked toilet and dumped some of its contents in an outside trash can, then left the house, leaving 22-week-old fetus alone. Piping. Her doctor told her she was carrying a nonviable fetus and needed to go into labor or risk significant risk of death. According to case records, he left without treatment each time because of delays and other complications. His lawyer said, after miscarriage, she tried go to a hair appointment, but her friends sent the hospital. A nurse who called 911 to report the return of a previously pregnant patient reported that the baby was in a bucket in her backyard. This call sparked a police investigation that led to the eventual charge against Watts. Warren Deputy Prosecutor Lewis Guarnieri told Municipal Court Judge Terry Ivanchak that issue is not how child when child, but how baby put in toilet. It was big enough to clog toilet. It left in toilet. He went to the bathroom and continued his day. An autopsy determined that the fetus in utero and there were no recent injuries. Timko told Ivanchak that Watts, who is black, had no criminal record and was demonized for something that goes on every day. He also argued that Ohio's corpse abuse law lacks clear definitions, including what is meant by a human corpse and what constitutes an insult to reasonable family and community sensitivities. Trumbull County Prosecutor Dennis Watkins said district attorneys respectfully disagree with the lower court's application of the law after a follow-up investigation found Watts had committed no crime. Black reproductive rights group In Our Own Voice expressed relief Thursday at the outcome of the case. President and CEO Dr. What happened to Brittany Watts is a